Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me to the end of the week wrap. Well, starting with the Australian dollar, as you can see from the overnight price action, the market clearly rejects the level of 78.40. After taking a heavy tumble, it now proves a worthy challenge to the downside, with the immediate target seen at 77.60 and with the bullish camp, where the bulls are likely to be harbouring, from 76.85. Later this evening, we do have the US non-farm payroll release, which is expected around about 2005k. However, the market will be mainly interested in the average hourly earnings rather than the non-farm payroll. On the day, resistance to the top side, should I say, it comes in around 78 to 78.40. And also to note, we did get a rejection from the 60-day moving average. Therefore, overall, I still hold the view to 75 cents. Nearly posting a bearish outside range day, you can see that the euro has tumbled very heavily overnight and now back to focus on the neckline, which comes in at 121.80. Overall, I do expect to see further pressure to the downside, with the immediate target seen at 122.95, which is currently just above there now, and I do expect to see, once a break, exposing the downside further. Now, beneath 121.80 does give us the next target of 118, which is confirmed from a double top bearish reversal from the head to the neckline, is measured from the neckline to the base. So that comes in around 118. Resistance on the day is seen at 123.65.75. Well, it would seem that dollar yen continues to consolidate above the 105 handle. However, recapturing the 106 level now looks towards 106.40, which is where we are challenging now. Now, a break above there would see a move to 106.95.05 or even up to 107. You can see from a technical point that we got some divergence coming through here from the stochastic and also from the RSI, as well as the break does improve the situation of a further bull run. And this is the view I've been holding now for quite a few days. But now finally coming through, we could see this actually occurring. What it would seem, the overnight rejection clearly from the 139.30.40 level has put the focus back on the uptrend that comes in at 137.25.40 for the pound. With the bulls losing their confidence further, I do expect to see a break of 137 to open the way down towards 135, with the resistance seen at 138.65, possibly capping the day. The gold outlook still remains weak. Now, yesterday it dropped $18, then overnight it dropped another $10. And as you can see at the moment, we are looking back towards the bullish foundations around 1,300. The immediate support on the day comes in at 1,318. Now, a break beneath there could see further, or should see weakness towards 1,312. And as I mentioned, about the foundations from 1,300, which should show a bullish defense. Resistance on the day comes in at 1,329. Looking at the weekly chart, the oil has tumbled further, and it briefly dipped under $60 before climbing slightly towards the New York close. Overall, I still remain bearish, and I'm still looking to a target of 59.25, which is still another dollar to the downside. If it fails to hold there, as you can see, the bullish structure from the 41 region does suggest that we are looking down towards $55 a barrel. And when you look at the weeklies, you can see here that clearly the technicals are very heavy. Any advances on the day finds resistance at 60.70. So that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the day and also the new start to the weekend.